back to...
You got a little something on your head.
It's a cheese! Get off me! As I was saying, hello and welcome back to...
I'm Yarton.
For this video, we'll be making a keychain for our teachers out of shrink sheets. So you'll need a shrink plastic sheet,
Scissors.
a hole punch, and some Sharpies, and also a ruler. Don't forget your ruler. Now let's start. Take your ruler, place it down, and then go 11 centimeters long, and then the width is 9. So I'm just starting at 0 and then going to 9. And then back down. 0 to 11. And then I'm gonna go back across and connect them. You're going to make a red line across right there, and then we're going to do the little lines, the blue that you write on. Hey Isla, you want to hear a joke?
What?
How do you make 7 even?
I don't know.
Take away the F.
Ooh, that's a good one. You want to hear a joke?
Sure. As I do this,
Why did the pig cross the road?
to get to the other side, I don't know.
Nope, because the other side was Hamilton.
Oh, that's a good one. And as I'm doing this, guys, if you like this video so far, subscribe so you don't miss any ones in the future. Good news done. If you subscribe, it's good news.
But if you don't subscribe, that's sort of bad news. But if you don't subscribe, that isn't the end of the world. It's okay.
What am I gonna write? So guys, what are you gonna write at home? Are you gonna write, I don't know, actually. What are you gonna write? Comment down below what you wrote. And then let's cut it out with our scissors. Snip, snip. And now you have to hole punch it. It's stuck. Oh, there we go. So based on the instructions, you have to bake it for 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Can you believe that? It shrinks in 10. This is how they turned out.
And if you don't know how to put on the keychain, you can ask an adult to do it.
And that's the end of today's video, folks. If you like this video, like and subscribe.
And share it.
And hit the bell.
And comment down below if you have any ideas what we can do next.
But hit the bell so you get notified. And if you don't subscribe, you don't get a cookie. Peace out.
Peace out.
We have lost Michael.
Is that a problem?
Yeah.
How so?
Because Michael needs to be with us in every video.
Explain your problem.
Because Michael needs to be with us.
Do you feel like there's something missing in your life because Michael's missing? You're not a complete person
Are you
because
still
without him?
recording?
No, I'm not.